Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to turn off your Pinterest notifications. So if you get annoyed with notifications, this is how you change your settings. So from your home feed, go to the top right hand corner, click the down arrow and click on settings. From there, we're going to go over to the left-hand side and we're going to scroll down to the bit that says notifications. I'm going to click on there and you'll get to the notifications page. So you've got lots of different options here. There are quite a few. So if you want to turn everything off, you might have to take a few minutes to do that. So have a look and see which ones you want to turn off or which ones you're happy to keep. All you need to do is click the down arrow. If you want to turn those notifications off, you click them off. And then when you've done all the ones you want to turn off, you need to click save. And that's how you turn off notifications on Pinterest. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.